From lightning-fast scouts to colossal siege weapons, Germany fielded some of the most advanced and feared machines of World War II. When these vehicles appeared on the battlefield, everything changed. Their engineering, power, and precision reshaped entire campaigns and defined modern armored warfare. In this video, we break down all the key vehicles used on the battlefield, beginning with the battle tanks. Battle tanks. Panzers. Panzer I. The Panzer I marked Germany's first step into armored warfare. Lightly armored and armed only with machine guns, it was never meant for major battles, yet it trained crews, shaped early tactics, and became essential during the opening Blitzkrieg campaigns. Panzer II. Panzer II filled the urgent gap before larger tanks arrived. Faster and slightly better armed than the Panzer I, it scouted ahead of Blitzkrieg spearheads, fighting in Poland, France, and North Africa, while providing crucial reconnaissance and early war battlefield mobility. Panzer 35T. Originally Czech-built, the Panzer 35T was absorbed into German service after occupation. Reliable, mobile, and mechanically smooth, it reinforced armored divisions during early campaigns. Though lightly armored, it played a meaningful role in Poland and France before being phased out. Panzer 38T. The Panzer 38T, another Czech design, became one of Germany's most dependable early tanks. Known for excellent reliability and mobility, it fought prominently in Poland, France, and Russia. Later, its strong chassis became the foundation for several effective tank destroyers. Panzer III. The Panzer III was Germany's intended main battle tank for tank-versus-tank combat. Early models struggled, but later variants improved armor and firepower. It proved vital in North Africa and the Eastern Front, serving as a backbone during Germany's early victories. Panzer IV. The Panzer IV became Germany's true workhorse tank, evolving through numerous upgrades. Initially an infantry support vehicle, it transformed into a capable anti-tank platform. Its widespread presence, adaptability, and steady improvements made it essential across every major front of the war. Panzer V. Panther. The Panther combined speed, armor, and a deadly high-velocity gun, making it one of World War II's most formidable tanks. Though early mechanical issues plagued it, the Panther quickly proved lethal against Allied armor, earning a reputation for battlefield dominance and technological sophistication. Panzer VI. Tiger I. Tiger I inspired fear across every front. Its thick armor and powerful 88mm gun allowed it to defeat most Allied tanks at long range. Heavy, slow, and complex, yet devastatingly effective, it became a symbol of German armored superiority. Panzer VI. Tiger II. King Tiger. The King Tiger pushed heavy tank design to extremes, combining immense armor thickness with a long-range, high-penetration gun. Nearly unstoppable from the front, but mechanically fragile and fuel-hungry, it embodied late-war German engineering. Powerful, intimidating, yet ultimately unsustainable in prolonged combat. Neubau-Fahrzeug. A multi-turreted experimental tank, the Neubau-Fahrzeug showcased early German armored ambitions. Though produced in tiny numbers and largely unsuitable for modern warfare, it served propaganda purposes, appearing in Norway to project technological strength during Germany's early wartime expansions. Next, we have in the list assault guns and tank destroyers. Stug II. As an early assault gun concept, the Stug II laid groundwork for Germany's later successful Stug series. Designed to support infantry with direct fire, its simplicity and low silhouette demonstrated how turretless armored vehicles could become effective, affordable battlefield solutions. Schwere Gustav. The Schwere Gustav was the largest artillery piece ever used in combat. A colossal railway gun firing 7-ton shells, it demolished fortifications from miles away. Impractical and slow to deploy, yet historically unmatched in destructive capability and engineering ambition.
Jagdpanther 38T. The Hetzer was a compact, affordable tank destroyer built on the reliable 38 chassis. Its sloped armor, low profile, and effective gun made it excellent for ambushes. Cheap to produce and widely deployed, it became one of Germany's most efficient late-war designs. Jagdpanzer IV. Built on the Panzer IV chassis, the Jagdpanzer IV offered strong frontal armor and a powerful gun. Designed for ambush tactics, it blended low visibility with respectable mobility. It proved effective on both eastern and western fronts as Allied pressure increased. Marder II. The Marder II was an improvised tank destroyer created by mounting captured or repurposed anti-tank guns onto outdated Panzer II chassis. Lightly armored but highly mobile, it provided much-needed firepower against Soviet armor during Germany's mid-war struggles. Marder III. Using the dependable 38T chassis, the Marder III delivered powerful anti-tank capability at low cost. Its open top exposed crews, yet its gun could defeat many early Soviet tanks. It filled critical gaps before more advanced tank destroyers entered production. Nashorn. Armed with the formidable 88mm gun, Nashorn tank destroyers could destroy enemy armor from extreme distances. Though lightly armored and vulnerable up close, their long-range lethality made them highly respected and effective on wide Eastern Front battlefields. Jagdpanther. Jagdpanther blended Panther mobility with a devastating 88mm gun. Strong frontal armor, speed, and deadly accuracy made it one of World War II's finest tank destroyers. Its biggest limitation was scarcity. Too few were produced to significantly alter Germany's fate. Ferdinand, or Elephant. The Ferdinand debuted at Kursk with thick armor and long-range killing power, but lacked a machine gun, making it vulnerable. Upgraded to Elephant, it received defensive improvements. When positioned correctly, it was incredibly lethal, yet difficult to maintain. Jagdtiger. The Jagdtiger was the heaviest armored fighting vehicle of World War II. Mounting a massive 128mm gun and nearly impenetrable front armor, it dominated open fields. However, extreme weight, mechanical breakdowns, and fuel shortages limited its battlefield impact drastically. Next on the list is self-propelled artillery and anti-aircraft. Sturmpanzer I Bison. The Bison mounted a heavy infantry gun onto a Panzer I chassis, creating a crude yet effective early war assault platform. Poor protection and limited ammunition plagued it, but it delivered essential fire support during Germany's rapid advances in Poland and France. Wesp. The Wesp was a mobile, self-propelled howitzer built on the Panzer II chassis. Light, reliable, and quick to redeploy, it provided vital artillery coverage to armored divisions. Its maneuverability allowed German forces to maintain fire support during fast-paced blitzkrieg operations. Hummel. Built on a hybrid chassis, the Hummel carried a powerful 150mm howitzer capable of long-range bombardment. It served as Germany's primary heavy self-propelled artillery piece, offering strong firepower, reasonable mobility, and crucial support during large-scale engagements on the Eastern Front. Grill. The Grill used the Czech 38T chassis to mount a 150mm infantry gun. Lightly armored and vulnerable, it delivered high explosive fire directly in support of infantry units. Compact and mobile, it played a valuable role in urban and close-range fighting. Sturmpanzer IV Brummbär. Nicknamed the Grizzly Bear, the Brummbär launched massive shells designed to crush fortified positions. Built on a Panzer IV chassis with thick armor, it excelled in urban assaults, where its destructive firepower overwhelmed strongpoints and helped infantry break through hardened defenses. Sturmtiger. The Sturmtiger fired enormous rocket-propelled naval rounds capable of obliterating buildings and bunkers. Built on a Tiger I chassis, it combined heavy armor with catastrophic destructive force. Rare but terrifying, it represented Germany's attempt to create an extreme urban siege weapon. Flakpanzer IV Wirbelwind. The Wirbelwind mounted quadruple 20mm cannons on a Panzer IV chassis, creating a deadly anti-aircraft platform. Its rapid fire tore through low-flying aircraft and lightly armored vehicles. Highly effective and mobile, it protected frontline units from constant Allied air attacks. Flak Panzer IV Ostwind. The Ostwind featured a single but more powerful 37mm cannon enclosed in an open turret. Offering greater range and hitting power than the Wirbelwind, it improved anti-aircraft defenses while maintaining mobility. It played an important role during Germany's defensive operations.
Flak Panzer 38T. Using the reliable 38T chassis, this lightweight AA vehicle carried fast-firing guns to defend troops and convoys from strafing aircraft. Though lightly armored and vulnerable, its mobility and dependable performance made it a widely used support vehicle across multiple fronts. Next on the list is armored half-tracks and prime movers. Sd.Kfz 251 Hanomag. The Sd.Kfz 251 served as Germany's primary armored personnel carrier, transporting infantry directly behind tank formations. Versatile and durable, it carried weapons, troops, and equipment across dangerous terrain. Its many variants supported engineering, command, medical, and assault roles throughout the war. Sd.Kfz 250. A lighter counterpart to the 251, the Sd.Kfz 250 was used for reconnaissance, command, signals, and fast-moving scouting operations. Compact and mobile, it accompanied armored divisions, delivering messages, relaying radio communications, and gathering intelligence while keeping pace with frontline tank units. Sd.Kfz 7 Medium Prime Mover. The Sd.Kfz 7 was a powerful half-track designed to tow heavy artillery, including the famous 88mm gun. With excellent off-road performance and room for gun crews, it became essential across every front, enabling rapid repositioning of Germany's most formidable battlefield weapons. Sd.Kfz 9 FAMO. The FAMO was Germany's heaviest and most capable recovery half-track, built to tow broken-down tanks like the Tiger. Its immense pulling power made it indispensable for armored divisions. Without the FAMO, many stranded German vehicles would have been abandoned on the battlefield. Sd.Kfz 10 Light Prime Mover. The Sd.Kfz 10 was a small, agile half-track designed mainly to tow lightweight anti-tank and anti-aircraft guns. Reliable and widely used, it provided mobility to support weapons, ensuring they could keep pace with fast-moving mechanized units during offensive and defensive operations. Sd.Kfz 11. The Sd.Kfz 11 served as a versatile artillery tractor capable of towing larger guns while transporting their crews. Known for dependable performance, it operated across varied terrain from North Africa to the Eastern Front, keeping Germany's artillery mobile under demanding battlefield conditions. Kettenkrad. Half motorcycle, half tracked vehicle, the Kettenkrad excelled at navigating narrow paths, mud, and rough terrain. Used for towing loads, laying communication cables, and transporting equipment, its unique design made it extremely useful in environments where larger vehicles struggled to operate effectively. Opel Multier. The Opel Multier combined a truck's chassis with tracked rear wheels, creating a hybrid vehicle for muddy or snowy terrain. Designed for the harsh Eastern Front, it improved mobility for supply units, ensuring vital ammunition and food reached frontline troops despite devastating conditions. Next on the list is armored vehicles. Recon vehicles. Sd.Kfz 222. The Sd.Kfz 222 was a fast, lightly armored reconnaissance car equipped with a 20mm cannon. Agile and ideal for scouting, it patrolled ahead of armored units, gathering intelligence, screening flanks, and engaging lightly defended positions, while relying on speed rather than armor for survival. Sd.Kfz 231 8 Rad. With 8 wheels and excellent off-road capability, the
The Sd.Kfz 231 served as a long-range recon vehicle. Its strong radio equipment and durable design allowed deep penetration scouting missions. It operated across vast terrains from the deserts of Africa to the forests of Russia. Sd.Kfz 234/2 Puma. The Puma was one of Germany's most advanced armored cars, featuring high-speed, sloped armor and a powerful 50mm gun. Its mobility and firepower made it exceptional for reconnaissance in force, capable of scouting, skirmishing, and disengaging before enemy forces could react effectively. Sd.Kfz 263 Radio Car. Designed as a command and communications vehicle, the Sd.Kfz 263 carried extended radio equipment for coordinating reconnaissance operations. Its reliable communication systems allowed commanders to relay battlefield intelligence rapidly, supporting fast-moving spearheads and improving situational awareness across wide operational zones. Let's move on to light utility staff cars and motor vehicles. VW Schwimmwagen, Type 166. The Schwimmwagen was an amphibious 4x4 vehicle capable of navigating rivers, mud, and flooded terrain. Lightweight, reliable, and highly maneuverable, it supported reconnaissance units, engineers, and frontline officers. Its ability to travel on land and water made it uniquely useful across varied battlefields. Horch 108. The Horch 108 served as a premium staff and command car, offering durability, strong off-road capability, and dependable performance. It transported officers, reconnaissance teams, and equipment across harsh terrain. Known for its rugged build quality, it became a common sight in German motorized units. Stier 1500A. The Stier 1500A was a multi-purpose personnel vehicle used for command, transport, medical, and logistics roles. Its robust suspension and powerful engine allowed it to operate reliably in deserts, forests, and winter conditions. It became one of Germany's most versatile wartime staff vehicles. Mercedes-Benz G4. The Mercedes-Benz G4 was a luxurious, high-ranking staff car used primarily for parades, inspections, and command roles. Featuring 3 axles for improved mobility, it symbolized prestige and authority. Although produced in small members, it became an iconic image of early German military leadership. BMW 75R motorcycle with sidecar. The BMW 75R motorcycle with sidecar was prized for exceptional durability, traction, and cross-country mobility. Used for reconnaissance, courier duties, and infantry support, it carried weapons, radios, and crew. Its rugged design allowed it to navigate terrain where larger vehicles frequently failed to operate. Now we have logistics trucks and transporters. Opel Blitz 3.6. The Opel Blitz was the backbone of German military logistics, transporting troops, ammunition, fuel, and supplies across every front. Reliable and easy to maintain, it kept mechanized forces moving. Despite constant Allied air attacks, the Blitz remained essential for sustaining Germany's war operations. Krupp Protez, KFZ 69. The Krupp Protez was a lightweight 6-wheeled truck designed primarily to tow anti-tank guns and transport infantry squads. Known for smooth handling and good cross-country performance, it played a significant logistical role during early campaigns in Poland, France, and the Soviet Union. Raubschlepper Ost, RSO. The RSO was a fully tracked supply tractor built to tackle the brutal mud and snow of the Eastern Front. Its excellent mobility allowed it to deliver ammunition, food, and equipment where wheeled trucks became useless. Rugged and simple, it proved extremely dependable. Henschel 33. A widely used medium truck, the Henschel 33 transported personnel, cargo, and artillery components. Sturdy and adaptable, it served across multiple theaters. Its reliability made it a logistical horsepower during early and mid-war operations, supporting mechanized units facing increasingly harsh battlefield conditions. Einheitsdiesel. The Einheitsdiesel was a standardized diesel-powered truck intended to simplify spare parts and maintenance. Durable and capable, it carried supplies, communication equipment, and specialized bodies. Though production was complex, it provided valuable transport capacity during Germany's early war years before being gradually replaced by simpler designs. Last but not least is specialized in siege vehicles. Panzerwerfer 42. The Panzerwerfer mounted a 10-barrel rocket launcher on a half-track, providing mobile, high-volume bombardment. Its rapid salvos devastated infantry positions and disrupted enemy movements. Though lightly armored, its mobility and firepower made it a feared support weapon on both eastern and western fronts. Karl-Gerät. The Karl-Gerät was one of the largest self-propelled mortars ever built, firing massive 600mm shells capable of leveling fortifications. Slow, mechanically strained, and difficult to employ, it still delivered extraordinary destructive power during sieges. Its presence symbolized extreme, ambitious German engineering. Goliath tracked mine, Sd.Kfz 302/303. The Goliath was a small, remote-controlled demolition vehicle designed to destroy bunkers, tanks, and bridges. Packed with explosives, it crawled toward targets under wire guidance. Cheap but vulnerable, it represented early experimentation with unmanned warfare and tactical sabotage missions behind enemy lines.
A sweeping montage reveals every German vehicle in motion: tanks advancing, artillery firing, half-tracks rolling, and reconnaissance cars racing across battlefield landscapes. These machines shaped strategy, defined German doctrine, and left a lasting mark on military history. Which one stands out to you? Comment below.